Hello, I'm Nicolette Gomez. Welcome to Negril, Jamaica. We are at the Pushcart restaurant and we're here to check out the drunken coconut. Right this way. Gazette here is going to make us a drunken coconut and he's going to show us how it's done.
Alright, so first you will need your coconut and to prepare your coconut. So we normally bust our coconuts open with a machete.
And of course I stand by.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to cut, with that. Alright, so we make the top of it real flat so it can sit. The average Jamaican would probably just bust this open and put it straight to their heads, chug it. Alright, so that's open. And we're gonna put the coconut water aside. Next, we add our ice.
So here at Pushcart, the drunken coconut is one of our favorite drinks. It's one of the most popular. And of course with Gazette.
Yes, because I'll get everybody drunk off one of these. And last, I'll just garnish this with a pineapple slice and a cherry. And the drunken coconut.
Thank you. Alright, let's
Hope
try.
you enjoy.
Very good.
Put a lot of love in it.